guys. Sobrang funny. So guys, while browsing on TikTok, natatawa lang ako because I get a lot of comments na pinupuna yung accent ko and the way I pronounce some words. Because, alam niyo naman, di ba guys, I have a very Filipino English accent. When I speak in English, very Filipino siya. Yung talaga pag nakinig ka or pag nakamit ako ng ibang tao sa ibang bansa man, sabihin na, oh, alam nilang Filipino ko. Because pag lumabas na, pag nasalita na ako ng English, Filipino English siya. Which, to be honest, when I was younger, I always had that fear, or hindi man fear, parang nahiya nga ako. Kasi parang sabi ko, my God, my sister speaks good English, may American accent siya-ish. My brother also magaling mag-English. Eh ako kasi, was growing up, kung nanonood sila ng English TV series, mas Filipino TV series ang pinapanood ko, 'di ba? Mga kila Juday, kila Claudine, Jolina, 'di ba? And even my friends when we talk, we were always speaking in Tagalog kasi wala mas kampante lang